Kenya. Kenya is a country in Africa. Kenya's territory lies on the equator and overlies the East African Rift, and is between Somalia and Tanzania. Kenya had a population of about 48 million people in 2017 years. The number of the young people is about 28 million. The number of the older people is about 9,400,000. The economics of Kenya is largest by GDP in East and Central Africa. Agriculture is a major employer. The survival industries is also a major economic driver. Kenya is surrounded by mountain Kenya and semi-arid areas with near the desert landscapes. Wild animals. Kenya's wildlife is probably the most famous in the world. The big five game animals of Africa, that is the lions, leopard, buffalo, rhinoceros, and elephants. There are 359 recorded species of mammals, of which 28 are endangered. Climate. We can know the temperature difference in Kenya has been modest in recent years, but the annual temperature is on the rise. The minimum temperature and the maximum temperature are balanced. The temperature changes greatly in England. The minimum temperature and the maximum temperature are widely. The annual precipitation in Kenya is declining year by year, and below the world average precipitation. The rise in temperature in Kenya and the reductions in precipitation lead to large areas of drought. Disaster. Climate change has caused many disasters, the most serious of which is drought. Drought has influenced many of Kenya's infrastructure. It makes many buildings was broken. Many people lack food, water, energy, and basic needs. Many farmlands has been destroyed. Drought caused economic impacts. Drought has damaged many farms. It influenced the water resources, ecosystems, and foods. People don't have food to eat and sell. They were getting poorer. Drought influenced food problems in Kenya. Kenya depends on agriculture. Many animals and plants died from drought, so they don't have food to eat. Drought induced health problems. Due to lacks of food and water, people lack nutrition. They can only eat any garbage and mess. These things contain a lot of bacteria. Many diseases will occur in the people, so many people died in the drought. It's my presentation. Thank you for listening.